Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Amazon Prime Video app on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So let's get into the video and I'll show you step by step. We're going to be using the Play Store application, which is an embedded application in this system. So I'll navigate to show you and guide you how to open the app and download the Amazon Prime. So on the dashboard, I'll head over to Quick Settings. For Quick Settings, you go to All Settings and you go down to Apps. So click on Apps and navigate down. You can see the Google Play Store right here, but that's because I've opened it a minute ago. I'll show you the entire process so you'll always be able to access the Google Play Store directly from the system settings where it is embedded. So click on See All Apps and navigate down to find System Apps. So Show System Apps. If you click on that, you should see this list. Just scroll down this list. It's an alphabetical list. Move on to reach G. So on D and then now G. So on G, you want to be looking for Google Play Store, and that's the app right there. Click on it to open, and the app launches. From there, all you need to do is search for just come over to the search bar and type in Prime Video, and then you have a suggestion in the background. That's the app. So click on the app, click on install, and give it a couple of seconds to load. The download begins very seamlessly, and it should take just a couple of minutes or seconds, depending on your internet connection. So if your internet connection is fast, it should be done in a couple of seconds, and you should have the app installing. So now you can find the download completed, and the installation process has begun. The installation process is not too long; it just takes a couple of seconds, and right there it's completed. Click on the open button, launch this application, and from there you could begin to enjoy the best of Amazon Prime Video. So that's it for this tutorial. We found it insightful, it was informative and useful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Like this video, give us a thumbs up here, and we'll see you in the next video.